tutorial to show you how to make a 2D logo into a 3D without using a 3D program. The only thing you need is Davinci Resolve 15 or Fusion. The first thing you need to do is make a logo that's 2D and save it as a PNG file. One place you can do it is in Photoshop. And when you have saved the PNG file, you need a font program. I use Font Lab. It's free to use and you can download on this web page. When you open it, you need to make a new font. When you made a new font, you drag and drop your PNG file, and here you're gonna rescale it so it fits into the fonts. It's just dragging it down, and when you can see it's in the middle, you drag it up to the A, because when you press A on your font, then it'll be right there. The next thing you need to do is go to info and make the font, and here you're gonna write what's the font's name. I call it VFX jar. When you've done that, you can export it. When you have exported the font, you will have to go to the font. On a Mac it's a font book, and drag and drop it, or it's a font manager on the PC. It's the same thing. And it copies in, and you go down and you find the VFX jar font, whatever you call your font, and here we can see the font. Next thing you have to do is open up Resolve and create a new project. When you come into Davinci, you have to create a Fusion composite, and I'll do it and make it a 10 seconds one. And when you've done that, you go down and push the Fusion button. And here in Fusion, the first thing you need to do is to reorganize everything, and then you're gonna make a 3D font, and then you're gonna make a merge from 3D, and then a render out node. And when you made all those 3 nodes, you can go into the text node. Here you can write A because you know where it is, and there's an OpenSense font. Now you can go down to your font. Mine was called VFX, and here you can see the font is there. And if I turn it around, it's just 2D version. Now you need to go in and go to the font, and you go in the button, extrude your font. Now you got a 3D logo from the font. You can turn around and see it's in 3D. Is you have to go and make another merge, because that's how I do it. You put the camera in. When you have the logo where you want it, you can start animate. Logo is animating in. We like that, so now we have to put some lights on it. And then you can make it another color if you feel like you want to do that. I'll make it a yellow, because then you can see the blacks a bit more. Now I add another light. Remember to save, because sometimes it crashes. I think it needs a bit more tweaking. I'd like to have it to zoom out a wee bit again, or drift. Now we can see the animation. So here we have it, the animation. And you can of course change it to whatever you want. Hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to see more, then you have to go to vfxjar.com to download the free 3D logo template and to see more Davinci Resolve and Fusion templates and titles. Hope to see you there. Have a nice day.